Welcome to Traffic Control's demo on Move Prioritization. Priority is a major factor in determining the order in which work is dispatched to equipment at the terminal. Priority can be set up in the system using priority profiles and then setting up criteria for the profiles against it. Priority profiles are a set of rules that are configured upfront that guide how types of moves should be prioritized based on priority criteria. Rules for each move type can be individually configured within the priority profile. Profiles indicate how the priority of each move type changes over time in relation to a commercial objective. Many different priority profiles can be configured to meet different business scenarios. Now, priority criteria are factors such as truck dwell, track release, estimated time of departure, and availability. These determine when each terminal needs each type of move to be executed based on commercial objectives. Truck dwell is used to prioritize moves by how long a truck has been waiting for a lift. Track release and estimated time of departures are alternative ways of prioritizing moves planned to outbound rail cars. And availability is used to prioritize moves for inbound rail. Different priority criteria can be enabled depending upon which objective are important to each terminal. Priority profiles can be set as an active profile that would be used by the system to prioritize moves on the given day. And other profiles can be left in the background and can be switched between the list of profiles. Active priority profiles indicate which priority profile is currently being used based on the current operational needs. Active priority profiles can also be updated as needs change, and traffic control automatically reprioritizes all moves at runtime. Changes in move prioritization are immediately reflected in the work order that is dispatched to the equipment. The video we have here will help us understand how the priority profiles are created and how these criteria are managed. And you will see moves change priority on runtime when the criteria has changed. We have the client open with the moves and priority set against it. In Yard Manager, we can go to Preferences and Move Settings to set up priority profiles. We will be starting with managing criteria and understanding what is the most important criteria for the terminal to be able to prioritize moves. This could be availability, estimated departure, truck dwell. And we can add criteria to the selected columns and move it back and forth depending upon how the terminal would like to set them up. We have some default priority profiles also set up in the system. And these default priorities have a base priority against them, which when selected, the moves will be prioritized accordingly. And here you can see a different set of priority criteria that are part of the priority profile. We can change the priority profile and you will see the priority profile update with the different set of criteria and the base priorities that are set against them. Once we have set up all the different priority profiles in the system, they can be accessed from the Move Priority profile and can be switched as the needs for the terminals change. Currently, it is set at hard gate, and all the moves that are related to the gate would appear as highest in priority. If we change to standard priority profile, then moves that are set up against those priorities would be filtered on runtime, and the priority would be changed both on the client and the Yard Manager. And you can see how the moves, switch priorities as profiles are switched between each of the available ones. Now we have the option to manually escalate any move by right-clicking on a move, and that puts the move on the top of the list with a priority set as 0. Any manually escalated moves will always have priority set as 0. System prioritized moves would have priority from 1 through 5. And if we wish to de-escalate the move, it can just be right-clicked and the move escalation would go away. It would follow the standard priority format. Any move which is a blocking move would also get automatically escalated if the profiles are switched, and that would cause for blocking moves to appear on the top of the list to be worked on against the primary blocking move also being selected to be worked. That's all that we have on move prioritization. Thank you.